Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video, I am revisiting an old friend that's always been there for me, no matter what, still there for me. I'm going to talk about the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics foundation stick. The Skin Foundation Stick. This was the first foundation, like high-end foundation that I ever used, that I fell in love with, and I find that it's easy for a beginner. If you're somewhere in the middle, if you're a makeup artist, this is personally what I have in my kit. I have like the BBU palette. It's in my kit because it looks good on everybody. The skin range actually matches so many people. The correctors and the concealers match. It's amazing. It's never failed me. It's literally been in my kit for years, and it will always be in my kit. So in this video, we are going to do some swatches. I have two shades that I will show you. I'm going to show you and kind of walk you through how I was taught to shade match, and like if I was working on you, what the experience would be like and what I would do. And then I'm going to show you how to apply it, different ways to apply it, and yeah. If that's something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. You guys ever like reunited with an old friend and it's like, hey, good times, and you know that they're actually reliable? That's how I feel with these guys. You're like, oh my god, you're talking about Bobbi Brown again? Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while, but I'm happy to be talking about Bobbi Brown again. Alright, so short story, in case you didn't know. I actually started off my makeup artistry career freelancing for Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. That is where I learned the most about makeup, color matching, working with different skin types, and I was taught by such amazing artists. So this is like a full circle moment for me. And this foundation is actually what I have in my makeup artistry kit. So if I've ever done your makeup before, know that I 9 out of 10 times have used Bobbi Brown foundation stick. It's reliable, it's beautiful, it will never photograph back because there's no white cast to it. And over the years, the formula just improved and improved. It's a solid foundation, and if you're a makeup artist, it's definitely the one you want to have like in your kit. There's other products, other brands out there that are amazing too that I do have in my kit, but this baby is tried and true. Color range is amazing, correctors, concealers, amazing. So I just want to say that. Oh, I did get sent two products, two foundations. I have shade Cool Natural and Golden Beige. So we're gonna try them on. I'm gonna throw my hair back. My cheeks are a little rosy right now because I did Tretinoin last night, and this morning we went for a walk, and all I did was put my hat on, and I didn't put any SPF on, so my cheeks are just a little more flushed. That's on me. That's okay. All right. So my skin is prepped with skincare. I pulled this guy out because I had it like in storage because I have a ton of brushes, but this is the Bobbi Brown foundation brush. This is my favorite kind of foundation brush when I'm working with clients. Whether you're working with a liquid, a cream, it is the easiest thing to use. It's almost like I apply foundation sometimes with my fingers. It's almost like having like these two fingers together, and you just, it's my favorite. This kind of brush is my favorite kind of brush. People don't use these that much anymore. I don't know why. All right, so I don't know which shade's gonna match me better. We're gonna try. And this is how I was taught at Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. Take the colors, and we're gonna do a swatchy swatch on my cheek. So wherever I have the redness is where I'm gonna swatch, and I'm gonna take, and I'm just gonna go down. That looks pretty freaking spot on, and that is Golden Beige. This one is Cool Natural. They both kind of look good. Let's try my forehead. Cool Natural looks good on my forehead, where Golden Beige also looks good. But as I pull back and I see this one is just a little bit too yellow. So we're gonna go with golden beige. I'm going to just blend out what I put on my face, and then we'll start. This is what I used to do when I would do makeup on people, even when I worked for just other makeup brands. I would swatch, and then if you make a mistake, you don't take makeup remover, you just take a little moisturizer, right? Because it doesn't hurt to have a little extra moisture on the skin. Good. Nice moisture. It's got a nice slip to it, is what we want when we're putting on makeup. If the skin is too dry and you put the makeup on, it's going to like drag on the face and it's going to just show too much texture. If there's too much of a slip, then you're not going to get the product actually on your face. So we want the finger to go like that. I'm going to reapply this color to my cheek. So we want a smooth application. Now, you could apply it this way, which I'm not totally against. The way this is like matching my face is crazy. Or this is my other way to apply it. If you don't like to feel product on your face too much, you take your brush, twist out a little bit more, and pick it up. And then you just apply. This way is going to apply the least amount. This way we are going to get more coverage faster. And just blend. So what I like about this foundation, that I've always loved about it, is that even though it's a cream foundation, it has the most beautiful skin-like finish. It really does. And the coverage, you can get up to like a full coverage. You just blend. You could use any tool you like. Like I said, if you have a favorite foundation brush that you prefer to use, a sponge, go for it. When I'm working on like clients, whether it's weddings or anything like that, I will start off like this with the brush, and then if I need to in the end, I will follow up with a sponge, because the sponge just like makes everything look perfect. See how that cut back that red? Now I do need more coverage, so I'm gonna go back in with my finger. With this product too, I find that when you work with your finger, it melts the product in really nice. See? And then I can just tap. Now I have red here because I wear glasses, so I'm always red there, it's just an indentation. But see how my skin just looks like it's really hydrated and nicely evened out? It's amazing. This is why it's my favorite foundation to work with on clients, because you can't mess it up. You apply as much as you need. You can use your fingers, like I said. The warmth of your fingers will always melt the product on and make it more skin-like, but it will shear it out as well. I'm gonna take my ring finger, and I'm going to just take a little bit underneath my eyes just to brighten up. It's like seriously like your one and done product. You could use the correctors. I do love those as well, but I will go into that in another video for you. I want to focus on this baby because it's such an iconic foundation. And always, 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 even when I was working for the brand, this was my hands down favorite foundation to work with on everybody, because it looks good on everybody. You just got to prep the skin right. It looks good on everybody. But look. You can't tell me my skin does not look like skin. This is what I want in a foundation. Take my hair down. You just see good skin, fresh skin. It's not heavy. You know, I'll kind of like get in so you can see. This is why it's my favorite foundation to use in my kit. It's tried and true. I've used it for years. Highly recommend it. It's really like, it's the best in my opinion. I'm sure, I know there's more foundations out there for me to try, but this one, like, I always go back to it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate. comment down below. Go shoot over to Instagram, ask me questions, TikTok, wherever. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next one.